In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube channel logo using Canva. If you're looking to create a stunning and personalized logo for your YouTube channel without any fuss, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily achieve this using Canva, a fantastic tool for all your design needs. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Canva website. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar at the top of the home page. Go ahead and type YouTube logo into the search field. This simple step will pull up a vast array of pre-designed templates tailored specifically for YouTube channel logos. These templates are a great starting point and can save you a substantial amount of time, as they've been professionally designed with YouTube's specific needs in mind. Now take your time to browse through the collection of available templates. Each design is unique, offering various styles and color schemes. When you find a logo template that resonates with your channel's vibe or matches your intended brand image, click on it. Choosing the right design is crucial because it's one of the first things viewers see when they visit your channel. You want it to reflect who you are and what you're about, so make sure it feels right. Once you've clicked on your desired template, you'll see an option that says customize this template. By clicking this, you'll enter the editing phase, which is when the fun truly begins. This is your chance to make the template your own. Start by editing the text elements. You'll want to replace any placeholder text with your channel name or any other relevant information. Pay attention to the font style and size too. You want it to be readable and eye-catching. The next focus should be on the background. Click on the background of your logo, and then you'll notice a color icon popping up. This icon allows you to change the color scheme of your logo's background. By clicking on this icon, a palette will appear, providing a wide range of color options. Choose a background color that not only complements your logo's text and any other design elements, but also embodies the brand identity you wish to project. And there you have it, your very own custom YouTube channel logo created right in Canva. This logo will serve as a personal branding symbol for your channel, so be proud of your creation. Remember, with Canva, you can always go back and edit or refine your design as your channel grows and evolves. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I can't wait to see the logos you create. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on building your digital presence.